In this video, I'll show you how to enable Google Assistant on your lock screen on the Redmi 15C. So simply open the settings on your device and then scroll down and select Google. And then within the Google Services settings, tap on All Services and then scroll down and select Search Assistant and Voice. So here it is, tap on it and then scroll down and select Google Assistant. And then within the Google Assistant settings, find the lock screen option. Tap on it, and then you should see this prompt, or you should see this page, use Google Assistant without unlocking your phone. Simply tap on Yes, I'm in. And then you should find this option, Assistant responses on lock screen, So ensure that this option has been enabled. Additionally, you can also enable this if you want. So once you can enable it, you can now use your Google Assistant on the lock screen. So you can bring it up by saying, "Hey Google." So let me try that one more time. "Hey Google, can you set a timer for 5 minutes?"
Sure, 5 minutes. And we're starting now.
And there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.